If you love easy, no-bake desserts that look impressive but take minutes to make, you're going to love these Oreo balls. Oreo balls are one of the simplest desserts you can make, yet they taste rich, creamy, and completely indulgent. No oven, no fancy tools, just a few ingredients and endless flavor possibilities. Today, we're walking through the basics, and then showing you 4 delicious Oreo ball flavors that are perfect for any occasion. Every Oreo ball recipe starts the same way: crushed cookies, cream cheese, and a chocolate coating. From there, the flavors are completely customizable. Let's start with the classic Oreo ball, the one everyone loves. For this recipe, you'll need 1 package of Oreo cookies, which is about 36 cookies, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, and 12 ounces of melted semi-sweet chocolate. Crush the Oreo cookies until they're finely ground. Mix the crumbs with the softened cream cheese until smooth and fully combined. Roll the mixture into 1-inch balls and place them on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Freeze for 30 minutes so they hold their shape. Dip each ball into melted semi-sweet chocolate, let the excess drip off, and place them back on parchment to set. Next are cookies and cream Oreo balls, extra creamy with a classic finish. For this version, you'll need 1 package of Oreo cookies, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, and 12 ounces of melted white chocolate. Optional crushed Oreos can be used for topping. Crush the Oreos until fine, then mix with the cream cheese until smooth. Roll into 1-inch balls and chill for 30 minutes. Dip each ball into melted white chocolate, and before it sets, sprinkle crushed Oreos on top for that signature cookies and cream look. Now for a chocolate lover's favorite, Nutella Oreo balls. You'll need 1 package of Oreo cookies, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, half a cup of Nutella, and 12 ounces of melted chocolate. Crush the Oreo cookies, then mix them with the cream cheese and Nutella until smooth and creamy. Roll into 1-inch balls and chill for 30 minutes. Dip into melted chocolate and allow them to set for a rich, decadent finish. For a refreshing twist, try mint Oreo balls. You'll need 1 package of mint Oreo cookies, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, and 12 ounces of melted dark chocolate. Crushed peppermint can be added on top if desired. Crush the mint Oreos, then mix with the cream cheese until well combined. Roll into 1-inch balls and freeze for 30 minutes. Dip into melted dark chocolate, and sprinkle crushed peppermint on top before the chocolate sets for a festive finish. Store Oreo balls in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. They're best served chilled for the creamiest texture and the cleanest bite. 4 easy Oreo ball recipes. 1 simple method. Endless dessert possibilities. Be sure to check out this video for more.